everybody. Hi, Nicola here, sharing with you a fabulous new venue for a painting holiday in the spring. Look, isn't it lovely? It's a 12th century chateau based in the Dordogne region of France. The nearest airport is Bergerac. It has stunning grounds and scenery, and it has been thoughtfully and beautifully renovated. Now you can choose from 2 dates, tuition starting Monday, May the 9th through to Friday the 13th, or Wednesday, June the 8th through to Sunday the 12th. There's a choice of accommodation. You'll be getting breakfasts, lunch and dinners, and also 20 hours of tuition with me spread over 4 days. So what's not to like? I think it's about time everybody had a treat, don't you? So relax, enjoy the wonderful venue, and take your painting up to the next level with me. I hope to see you soon. In the meantime, I'm just going to say, a bientôt.